This is the OnePlus Open 2, and OnePlus says this is the foldable that finally makes compromises disappear. Big claim, right? Because foldables usually come with trade-offs, awkward cameras, weird software, or prices that make your wallet cry. So after spending real time with this thing, using it like an actual phone, not a demo unit, I found something OnePlus doesn't really talk about in the ads, and that changes who this phone is really for. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the OnePlus Open 2, the latest foldable smartphone from OnePlus. It's a book-style foldable, aimed squarely at power users, people who want a phone that can replace a tablet, a multitasking machine, and still feel like a normal phone in your pocket. The big selling point here is balance. OnePlus claims it delivers flagship performance, top-tier cameras, and actually usable multitasking, without the bulk and compromises we've seen in earlier foldables. And unlike some competitors, it's priced aggressively for what you're getting, at least in foldable terms. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use day to day? Short answer? Fast, smooth, and surprisingly normal. The OnePlus Open 2 runs on Qualcomm's latest flagship chip, paired with plenty of RAM. And yes, you feel it immediately. I used it for everything, from doom scrolling social media to editing photos to running 3 apps side by side, and it never stuttered. Apps open instantly, animations are fluid, and multitasking doesn't feel like a gimmick. What surprised me most is how well it manages heat. Even during longer gaming sessions or heavy multitasking, it stayed comfortable in the hand. No noticeable throttling, no weird slowdowns. According to outlets like The Verge and TechCrunch, OnePlus has seriously optimized thermal performance this time around, and in real-world use, it shows. This is the rare foldable that doesn't feel fragile or experimental. It feels like a mature, flagship phone that just happens to fold. Features and tech. First up, Open Canvas multitasking. This lets you run up to 3 apps at once in a way that actually makes sense. You can resize them, swap them, and jump between tasks without friction. The benefit? If you answer emails, reference documents, or live in Slack and Google Docs, this is a productivity monster. Second, the displays. You've got a crisp, bright outer display that feels like a normal flagship phone. No narrow, awkward screen here. Open it up, and the inner display is expansive, smooth, and fantastic for reading, watching videos, or editing photos. Scrolling feels buttery thanks to the high refresh rate. Third, Oxygen OS for foldables. OnePlus nailed the software experience. It's clean, fast, and doesn't overwhelm you with gimmicks. According to expert reviews, this is one of the least frustrating foldable UIs out there, and I agree. Design and build. Aesthetically, OnePlus absolutely nailed it. The Open 2 feels premium the moment you pick it up. It's slim, well-balanced, and doesn't feel like a brick in your pocket. The hinge is smooth and confidence-inspiring, with almost no visible crease when the screen is on. The materials feel flagship level, metal frame, solid construction, and it doesn't scream fragile foldable. That said, it's still a foldable, so you'll be a little more careful than with a slab phone. Fingerprints do show up, especially on darker finishes, but that's a small trade-off for such a clean design. Battery life. Battery life is always a big question with foldables, and here's the good news. The OnePlus Open 2 easily lasts a full day. Even with heavy use, multitasking, streaming, navigation, I consistently ended the day with battery to spare. Fast charging is another win. Plug it in for a short break and you're back up and running quickly. No battery anxiety here, which is huge for a device meant to replace multiple gadgets. It's not revolutionary, but it's reliable. And honestly, that's what matters most. Camera performance. Here's where things get interesting. Foldables usually compromise on cameras, but the OnePlus Open 2 doesn't feel like it did. Photos are sharp, colors are natural, and low light performance is solid. It's not quite at the level of the absolute best camera phones, but it's closer than you'd expect. For everyday shots, social media, and even light content creation, this camera setup absolutely delivers. And the flexibility of using the foldable design as a built-in tripod, that's genuinely useful. Pros.
thoughtful, clean software experience. Premium design that doesn't feel bulky. Strong battery life with fast charging. Cons: cameras are great but not class-leading. Foldables still require extra care. Final verdict: look, if you're a power user, a multitasker, or someone who wants one device to do everything, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's one of the most balanced foldables ever made, and it finally feels like a phone you can recommend without a long list of caveats. But if you just want the best camera or the simplest experience, a traditional flagship might still make more sense and save you some money. The OnePlus Open 2 isn't about hype, it's about refinement. And honestly, that makes it one of the most compelling foldables you can buy right now.